All right, and good Saturday afternoon. I'm meteorologist Matt Barentine. Of course, we are tracking Ida, a very powerful hurricane, and as you can see, it's looking like a classic hurricane at this point, a very large hurricane as well. And that's going to be important to our forecast because although I do not believe we will not be seeing a direct hit out of this, since it's going to be so large, we will be getting impacts from this as it moves on through. So here's what we're looking at right now. Winds of 105 miles per hour. It's Category 2 storm, but getting close to Category 3 strength. Only needs 6 miles per hour more with the wind speeds. It's moving to the northwest at 16, so that hasn't changed either. And the reason why it continues to move to the northwest and not north straight at us is because there's a big ridge, a high pressure. Think of it like a mountain, and this is forecast to work its way right around that mountain in the atmosphere. So it's a big steering current here for this storm. Here's what we anticipate with it. It's going to continue to grow in strength, likely up to a Category 4 storm, and make landfall sometime early tomorrow afternoon over in southeast Louisiana. But that's just talking about the center, somewhere anywhere from Vermilion Bay all the way over towards the mouth of the Mississippi. But that's just the center. There is going to be wide-ranging impacts outside of that because of how large this storm is. Hurricane warnings for Louisiana, and there's tropical storm warnings for the Mississippi coastline and going into Mobile, Baldwin, and Washington counties here as this makes landfall here tomorrow. So here's one of the Futurecast looks at it with high resolution imagery, and that's midnight. And as we go towards tomorrow morning, here come the first heavy bands into our area on Sunday morning in coastal areas where it'll start. And then as this works its way on in, more heavy bands continue to work their way across our area. Now, as this thing kind of works its way like this, we're going to continue to be in those heavy rain bands throughout the day on Sunday and throughout the day on Monday as well. So we'll continue to see these heavy rain bands rotating on in. So while they'll be getting the hurricane force winds, we'll be getting a ton of rain over into our area and gusty winds obviously throughout the day, and the possibility of isolated tornadoes. Anytime you're on the right-hand side of a landfalling tropical system, there is the possibility of those quick spin-up tornadoes. And you can see that all the way through next Monday through Monday morning. And this will continue through the day on Monday. As it continues to lift north, we'll continue to get this massive flow of all that rain. It is going to be really rough. And this is why many of the school systems have already canceled school on Monday because of all that heavy rain that is expected. Futurecast, let's go ahead and show that. You can see the rainfall amounts are going to be very large. And this is just sort of the widespread, 5, 6, 7 inches. There will be localized spots that likely will pick up more rain than that as we go through Hurricane Ida. So we got lots of impacts. The number one is going to be the flooding. Secondly, we're going to watch out for some quick spin-up tornadoes. The surge, 2 to 4 feet here across our local area. And the wind, don't sleep on the wind because it will be strong for a very long time. It could do some problems as well. So a lot to watch over the next few days here with Hurricane Ida. Of course, here at Fox 10 News, we are going to be following it for you every step of the way.